my name's Ashley and I'm the designer with Level Up Group. I'm here to showcase this beautiful basement renovation projects we just completed in the heart of Mount Albert. Come along with me as I show you around. We utilize every corner of this basement, starting with this amazing custom accent wall here. When designing an accent wall, the key is to not only make it beautiful, but also to make it functional and timeless. We have this custom trim work that I thought would work perfectly in this space because we have two hidden doors. These hidden doors are completely seamless with this trim work. The first door that we have here is to the cold room, which is push to open. The second door that we have is to the beautiful, luxurious bathroom. This bathroom gives off a luxurious feel as we have a rain shower system, a wall-to-wall shower niche with LED light inside the niche, and black finishes throughout. Next we have is my personal favorite, the spectacular wine room. This glass archway with the black finishes really makes a statement. During the design process and the walkthrough, the goal of this basement was to have this wine cellar as the focal point. So no matter which way you enter the basement, through the right side or the left side of the staircase, this was the first thing that you'll see, which is absolutely amazing. When you enter it, it smells like the beautiful wood. Behind me, we have the stone finishes with the glass shelves that does bring everything all together. Next up, we have the custom wall-to-wall bar. We really wanted this basement to flow nicely, so we thought, what better way than to paint the kitchen cabinets the same color as we did for the accent walls. We have a quartz countertop, beautiful island that fits 4 stools. Behind me, we have that stone backsplash with glass shelves and the black hardware. When having such a large entertainment area, the ideas are endless. You're able to put a pool table here if you like, which is going to be adjacent to the bar area. Eventually, the client will be putting a large sectional sofa right over here in the middle of its feature wall. He's going to put an 85-inch TV right in the middle there, and this is another wow factor to the basement. How we did this, we customized this feature wall and we put open niche cabinetries along with the stonework at the back of the niches. This is something that is timeless, it's classic, and will never go out of style. As you may have noticed, we use this stone in 3 different areas of the basement: the feature wall, the bar backsplash, and also the winery. Not only does this bring consistency throughout the basement, but it also is a way to add texture and depth throughout the space. Thank you guys for joining me on this tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I love designing it. Make sure to follow Level Up on Instagram and stay tuned for more videos coming your way.